And then we have said Pepe, of course, and we all know where this one's leading. Today, I'm back with another plugin showcase, where today I'm going to get straight to the point. It's a very simplistic plugin, and I know the video is going to be short somehow, but in general, it's a free plugin, and I totally recommend you guys add this to your server, as it will give a more of a unique style to your server. It's really simple to use, small bugs, but hopefully that was just my end, and it will not affect your server in any way possible. So the plugin I'm talking about is Rotating Heads. As you can see here, I have some rotating heads. They actually look really cool, and the only thing I was not able to set up was particles. You can add particles to the head to make it even more unique. You can change the speed, the height that they jump in, so as you can see, this one's a lot slower and jumps slightly less than all of these. Everything is mainly through the config, and I'm going to explain everything in there as well. But for now, I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough of what I have set up. It's pretty straightforward and not really complicated, but you can add as many commands as you want to each head. You can add the particle, and of course, you can add the custom heads. These are, of course, player heads. I do believe you can add the actual data of the head as well. So if you want an exact crafting table and you don't want to be looking for a head with a specific player head, because, for example, if any of these players change their heads, it will change with it. But enough said and done. Before we continue this video, let's not beat around the bush. This video is sponsored by Revivenode. Revivenode provides premium servers for a budget price, and starting at $1 per gigabyte, you can get started on your very own server today. Using the promo code DiamondRushXD in all caps, you can start a server for a community or just to play with your friends. So check it out in the description down below. So getting straight forward to everything here, I have all of these set up. So I'm going to give a quick walkthrough, and we're going to try to create our very own, and that's basically the plugin. I don't know why I just clapped there. So if I click this one, it's pretty straightforward. It's me, so I'm gonna get some diamonds. And then if we go to the creeper, I set it up to use the default commands that come with it. I also added a entity spawner, so it won't spawn exactly where I want to, but it's just to show a demonstration. You can probably go a lot more advanced and spawn it to an exact location, but I just made it so a creeper appears and there are some messages on your screen and in chat showing that it is possible. So there you go, works perfectly fine. And then we have, I forgot to probably change the name of it, but oh well. If this one, it's just beef rotating head, I was also supposed to call it chef. But yeah, if I click that right there, we get steak from it. So pretty easy. And then we have said Pepe, of course, and we all know where this one's leading. Yeah. Like I said, these are very straightforward. These stuff I all made under 5 minutes. Of course, the only thing I was not able to do was the particles. Everything else is pretty straightforward and easy configurable. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to create your very own really easily. So I'm going to go ahead and create this one. And we're going to do, so we got to do our head create. And then you got to give it a name. So I'm going to give it Notch. And then we're going to get this white wool block right here, and it's basically just saying to place wherever you would like, so I don't have to place it on a block, but I'm going to. We've created a quick one right here, and what else we have to do is mainly in the config. We don't have to do anything in game. If you want to remove it, you can just do remove, and that's literally it. But we're not going to remove it. We're going to go into the config and edit everything in there. All right, so we're in the folder itself. We can go ahead into config, and then in the bottom, you're going to see so much because I've added many. So as you can see here, this is from the one Sad Pepe, and what we're going to be looking for is the name Notch. So that's what we're going to go for. We can change its skin right here, so we can just provide its name Notch, and then we can provide any more information. So we can change its color code. I'm going to go ahead and put a C, which should be a red, put that, and then we can give it a command as well. That'll be provided in the actions, and you have to specify what type of action it has. So actions would be in brackets, and it could be console, player, broadcast, chat, title, give, and server. That's the main one it's providing right now, but hopefully sooner or later they're going to add more. This is of course supported by Placeholder API, and it supports colors pretty easily. And for this one, we're just going to do player, and I'm going to give DiamondXR golden_apple. We can change its speed right here, so the lower the number, the higher the fast it's going to go. And then the higher number, the slower it's going to go. So if I put 1, it's going to go super fast. But if I put 300, it's going to take a whole day to complete. For this one, I'm going to go ahead and put 1 so you guys can see how slow it actually is. Here we can actually change it as well. So I'm going to put 1 so it barely even moves. And that's literally about it here. So we're just going to go ahead and save that content. And we're going to go back in the game. And right here we can do /our heads reload. All right, now before I turn around, I just want to point out that I did a huge mistake and something you guys should never do on your server. /reload. I literally just broke the plugin by doing that, so please do not do that. It was a mistake. I had to basically restart the whole files. And yeah, I did repeat the same thing with the notch head though. It's still the same. It's literally the same configuration and everything, but if you click it, we're gonna get our golden apples, and that's about it. It's a pretty straightforward thing, and yeah, it's amazing. I'm not gonna lie, I'm already done with this plugin though, because it's giving me a headache from looking at it and spending so much. So hopefully you guys at least enjoyed this quick plugin review. If you guys did like it, make sure to leave a like in the video, and make sure to check out Revivenode in the description down below. If you guys want to see any more videos, make sure to put your ideas in the comment section, and I'll try to do them whenever I can. Other than that, hope you guys have enjoyed, and I will check you guys next time. Cheers.